Welcome to Makulilo Scholarship Show. Today we are going to talk about one among the scholarships for undergraduate studies in the United States of America. In one of the Makulilo Show, I talked about getting admission and the scholarship for undergraduate students in America and other countries, and I gave my technical advice that because of the language of instruction or the medium of instruction, usual English is the language of instruction in America, but if you go for a non-English speaking country, you have to show that you are capable of undertaking studies in their particular languages. Let's say if you are going to Norway, you have to speak Norwegian. So I'm talking about one of the scholarship in one of the college in United States of America, and this college is called the Berea College, B-E-R-E-A, Berea College. Berea College is one of the colleges which is in East Coast in one of the states called Kentucky. So if you go to the particular website of the Berea College, which is www.berea.edu, you'll go to the prospective students and then go direct to the international students will get more information. But here today I'll be talking more specific and very short. What are the most important things you have to undergo in order to be admitted and receive a scholarship at the Berea College, which is in Kentucky, United States of America. If you open this particular website, or if you go to these particular universities, you will get the following information. The first information you're supposed to know is what are the admission procedures, especially for international students, and whether or not that particular college has the financial aid and the scholarships for international students. As I talked before in one of the shows, that very few universities have scholarships and the financial aid for non-American students, that means international students who are studying here in America. So this university, you have to determine first, do they give the financial aid and the scholarship for international students? And then we'll talk about what other things you are supposed to combine together in order to attend your studies and having a scholarship at Berea College. But just to start with the admission procedures, as normal, when you apply for undergraduate studies in the United States of America, there are certain things you have to be prepared with in order to apply. These are some of the things which are needed when you want to apply at Berea College or any other universities for undergraduate studies in the United States of America. The first one is the standardized tests. When you want to go for a bachelor degree in the United States of America, there are two examinations. There is SAT exam and there is ACT exam. So you have to take one of these two exams in order to be eligible to apply for this particular university. So that is the first thing. You have to take ACT exam or SAT exam. So just go to the Google search and write SAT exam or ACT exam, and you will go to their official website and you will follow the procedures on how to take the particular examination. But another thing you're supposed to go is you have to fill the application form. So for Berea College, they have two ways of filling the application form. There is online way of filling the application form, or you can print out and apply for the admission and the scholarship. For instance, if you want to use the application form direct, print it out and send it. This is their application form. It is just 2 pages. You are supposed to fill it. So when you fill it, and then you will send it with other particular documents which are required. Another thing is you have to show your English proficiency. If you are coming from the country where English is not the national language, or if you didn't take any other studies in English language, you have to show that you are capable of undertaking the examinations. To take the studies in English language. And how can you prove? You have to take either of these two examinations. You have to either to take test of English as foreign language, which is TOEFL exam, or you have to take another exam, which is International English Language Testing System, which is LTS, offered by the British Council. If you go back to one of the Makulilo show, I talked about these particular examination, English proficiency exams, TOEFL exam and LTS exam. So you have to take one of these exams. But if you took the studies, let's say junior high school and high school studies in English language, you can write to the admission officer of Berea College to ask for the waiver that you undertook the studies in English language, so they can give you the waiver not to submit the English proficiency certificate, rather just a particular type of examination. And another thing is letters of recommendation. In one of the Makulilo show, I've already talked about what do we mean by letters of recommendation. Who is supposed to write these letters of recommendation? What are supposed to be written in the letters of recommendation? So you have to submit 2 letters of recommendation. But usually my advice is submit, when they say 2, submit twice as much. Submit 4 letters of recommendation. That means 2 letters of recommendation should come from your professors or your teachers who taught you certain subjects. And if you are working, it is better to have 2 other recommendations from where you are working. And another thing you're supposed to complete is financial questionnaire. This financial questionnaire you will find also in the website of Berea College. So these are some of the things which are required when you want to apply for the Berea College to be admitted and receive a scholarship to study in Berea College. The application time, when is the application time to apply and to be admitted for the Berea College? The application time for Berea College is now. The application has already started since October, and application ends in February 5th, 2011. So make sure that you apply before the deadline, which is February 5th, 2011. And when you apply, you are applying to be admitted for the academic year of 2011. That means you'll be supposed to start your academic career or your studies at Berea College in fall semester. When I talk fall semester, I mean in August 2011. So that is why you are making application now for the next year, 2011. But apart from that, let's talk about scholarship and financial aid for international students at Berea College. Because knowing that Berea College has these ways of applying and they have maybe good programs to study, doesn't mean that you can go unless otherwise they assure you that there will be the financial aid and the scholarship for international students. So what are the costs and the financial aid for international students at Berea College? I'm going to quote one among their important slogan of Berea College for international students who want to pursue their studies at that particular college. It says as follows: Berea College is the only school in the United States that provides 100% funding to 100% of enrolled international students for the first year of their enrollment. This combination of financial aid and scholarship offsets the cost of tuition, room, board, and fees. So this is one among many universities which is having a very good program in terms of giving scholarship for international students, as they say that it is the only school in the United States of America which provides 100% funding for enrolled international students. So you are 100% sure that if you apply at Berea College and to get admitted at Berea College, you are automatically going to receive 100% funding, and that type of scholarships is going to cover cost of tuition, room, board, and fees. But what happens after the first year? Because this 100% is for the first year, but for the second year and going up, you're going to graduate. They say in subsequent years, international students are expected to save $1,000 per year to contribute towards their expenses. So what they do is, starting from the second year of your studies, they reduce the funding for you to continue to study there. But what they do, they are going to give you campus jobs. All international students are provided with a paid on-campus jobs through the College Work Program throughout the academic year. So for sure that they will reduce $1,000 for their funding, but in compensation you are given the campus job in order to raise a certain amount of money for their living. So for that case, I encourage all of you to apply at Berea College. When you apply to this Berea College as international students, you are 100% sure to get scholarship, which not many universities in the United States of America are giving funds, scholarships for international students to pursue bachelor degree in the United States of America. It's very complicated. So what I'm advising you now, just to sum up what I've been talking, is Berea College is found in Kentucky State, which is one among the states in the United States of America. Berea College is having scholarship specific for international students, and the scholarship is 100% to cover food, to cover school fees, to cover tuition and other expenses. But from the second year of your studies, Berea College will give you campus jobs specific for international students to raise a certain amount of money for their living expenses. That means from second year they will use a certain amount of money for their living expenses. The application time for Berea College has already started. Application has started since last October, and it will go up to February 5th, 2011. And remember, you are applying for the academic year of 2011 for the fall semester. That means August 2011. And another important thing is there are certain particular requirements you are supposed to have, like English proficiency. You are supposed to have letters of recommendation. You are supposed to fill in the application form, and you're supposed to give the application fee, which is $50. So all those things you're supposed to do as soon as possible. Make sure you do everything before the application deadline. But remember, you must take the admission test exam, which is either SAT or ACT examination. But just again, the contact for the Berea College is, their website is www.berea.edu. When you go direct to the prospective students of their website, go to the admission procedures, go to the international students, because there is a difference between application for American citizen and for international students. And when you go there, if you have any other question, you can write directly to the admission office, which is, their email address is askadmissions@berea.edu, or you can write to me if you have any other question at makulilo@makulilofoundation.org. Thank you very much for enjoying the Makulilo Scholarship Show. Watch again for other videos and enjoy every minute of the show. Thank you very much. Goodbye.